Hey, what's happening, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Me and Car Keys. So today's car keys are actually on the Mazda. Where is it? Right, there it is, right there, right there. Mazda CX-5. So today we're gonna do, it's not necessarily a modification, it is a replacement part. We're gonna change out our in-cabin air filter. Oh, they got us. Y'all see that? They got us. Oh, they got us all over the place. Look at this. They got us. So we've had this vehicle for 3 years now, and we've never changed our in-cabin air filter. I actually never even thought about it until this spring, where pollen was all over the place. Pollen was everywhere. I mean, it was crazy. It was actually hit a record pollen count one day of like 6,000, something like that. Anyway, so the reason we're changing it, and the reason why you should change it, is because it gets dirty. It gets dirty very quickly, and I don't think people really realize how quickly an in-cabin air filter can get dirty. The worst part about all this is that a lot of people don't even realize that they have in-cabin air filters. So, needless to say, we're gonna change this one today, and it's a lot easier than you think. To access your in-cabin air filter in the 2017 and up Mazda CX-5, it is right behind your glove box. So first thing, you open your glove box. Don't mind all the stuff in there. There are 2 tabs. Let me bring it in a little closer. So there are 2 tabs on the outsides. Just push in, pull down. Go back up so this one. If you look back, now don't push it down too hard because it doesn't go down. This is the farthest that it goes down. And I think if you push any harder, you'll probably break this door, which you do not want to do. So if you can see behind here, it's a good view. Your air filter is right here. It has a little tab here, and you just pull. And it comes out just like that. Very simple. There we go. And there is our 3-year-old air filter. My goodness. And so this is a quick comparison of our old filter, and here's our new filter. This is what it's supposed to look like, y'all. All right, it is the exact same size. Old one, new one. Now it did come with instructions. Here, instructions. Degree of difficulty, moderate. It should be easy. Estimated installation time, 24 minutes. It should be 4 minutes. Instructions: remove the air filter from the housing, install the new filter, and install the cabin air filter cover. Pretty straightforward. You just take the old one out and put the new one in. So also take note of the airflow. This is the old one near the bottom, and this is the new one. Make sure the arrow there. Make sure that arrow is pointing down when you put it back in. And I mean, it don't make sense because the tab can only go on the bottom when you put it back in anyway. But yeah, just make sure you put it back in the exact way you took it out. So you just get down here and you line it up and slide your slide your new one in, make sure it snaps, and you are done. Only thing left to do is slide this glove box door. Once again, you push the 2 tabs on the side gently, make sure it snaps back in. There you go. That's it. That's all you gotta do. That's how you change out your in-cabin air filter in a 2017 and up Mazda CX-5. Once again, it was the Breathe Easy cabin filter. The part number, I'll show you the part number. BE-811. BE-811. Now, this was on Amazon, of course, as everything else is. All right, thank you for watching another video on the Me and Car Keys channel. Quick upgrade, quick replacement part on an in-cabin air filter. If you like videos like this, please subscribe, hit the like button, leave me a comment. I appreciate it. Thank you for watching. Till next time, see you later.